Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the tutorial of how you can use this Samsung air conditioner remote control. And first of all, the most used button is this button. It's the on and off button, so you just press it one time, it will off the air conditioner, and once time it will turn on the air conditioner. And secondly is this the mode button. You can switch between cool to dry mode, fans mode, heating mode, and auto mode. So I will explain one by one. Most used is the cool mode, is the for cooling down your room temperature, and dry mode is to take out the moisture from your room. This is used during the rainy season. And fan mode is the fans only, so we cannot adjust any temperature, so your air conditioner will operate only the fan. And heat mode is used when the outside temperature is cool and you need a hot temperature inside your room. And auto mode it will automatically detect to switch between the cool mode and heat mode. So when the outside temperature is cool, it will operate inside temperature to the cool mode, and when the outside temperature is hot, so it will select to the cool inside the room. Okay, and next button, I switch to the cool mode first. Okay, and the next button is the temperature up and down, so you can adjust the temperature in between the number that you select. So the lowest point is 16 and the highest is the 30 degrees Celsius. And this one is the auto swing. You can select it the swing of the air conditioner. Okay, and this one is the fans adjustment. You can adjust the fan speed, so it have the 4 speed of the fan speed. So this one is the lowest, and this number 2, number 3, and this is the maximum speed. And then this bottom is the timer's button, so you can adjust the on timer and off timer by this arrow. So you can adjust the off timer for any hour. For example, if you select this one, so the air conditioner will turn off after another 3 hours. So when we set it to zero back, so the timer will cancel. And another option is the good sleep mode. So to enable the good sleep mode, you just press the timer 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. So it will have the good sleep mode. You just press set on it, and then this good sleep will start operation. So you can see the logo here. So you can see the logo good sleep here. And then this mode is for designed for the sleeping time, and it will regulate the temperature and the air humidity for your best sleeping time. Okay, to cancel it, you just press timer 3 times again, and then make it back to 0 and press set, so the good sleep will disappear. Okay, and another thing you can see on your air conditioner, if you have this display and you want to turn off the display, just press the setting on your remote control, and you will see some option will show on the below here, and then you press select to the display and point your remote control to your air conditioner and press set on it, and it will make change to the display. You can turn on or turn off the display by doing this. Okay, and next is the fast mode. So to operate the fast mode, you just press the option and then press this button to select the fast. You can see the word fast is blinking, and press set on it. So this fast mode provides the fastest fan speed, and you cannot adjust the fan speed. So I try to adjust the fan speed. It cannot. It provides the maximum fan speed. And to cancel the fast mode, you just press option again and then press set on it, and then it will back to the normal mode again. And this time we can adjust the fan speed. And another option is the changing your temperature from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. And please take note that this operation it just work for some model. So if your remote control don't have the logo, the text here, so degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, so you cannot adjust and make change to that temperature. So just press this set button for only 3 seconds, and your remote control will change from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. And unfortunately my remote control don't have that option, so that's just the optional. And another option is to measuring your usage of the electricity. You just press the setting, and then you can see the word usage, and then you just point your remote control to the air conditioner. So I press it again and press set to your air conditioner, and you will see on the display screen it will measuring how much capacity you are using from now on. And please take note that the usage is only available when you turn on your air conditioner, so it just count from 0 and on and on. And finally I want to show you the clean filter. So when you see this CF display on your air conditioner display, so that means the clean filter. So it requests you to clean the filter of your air conditioner, and after you cleaning the filter and put it back, just press the option and then reset the filter, and your CF will disappear. Just press this filter reset and point to your air conditioner, and the CF will disappear from your display on the receiver of the air conditioner. Okay, and I think that's all for this tutorial of how you can use this Samsung air conditioner remote control, and I hope you get another option and idea of how to use it. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box below, and I will try to reply all your comment. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.